Hi guys, welcome back to my world. So today I'm reviewing a travel medical pill box. It is a handy box to use, easy to move and easy to use. It will give you many benefits. Number 1, it is a lucid box. Number 2, it is divided into compartment. Number 3, its material is made of durable plastic. Number 4, we can use it in other fields too, like using a stationery box. As for its length and concern, its height is 300 mm and its width is 250 mm. That's all from me guys today. If anyone wants to buy this product, I have given the link below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.